Are you struggling to create dynamic animations in Angular? It can be a real challenge, especially when dealing with multiple pages. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today we're going to tackle how to dynamically create Angular animations that scale effortlessly. I totally understand your frustration. You've got a working Angular animation, but when it comes to scaling it for multiple pages, it feels like a mountain to climb. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I create reusable states or generate states and transitions at runtime based on the number of pages in my Angular app? This is a common scenario when building paging components. So what's the issue here? When you have multiple pages, defining individual states and transitions can quickly become unmanageable. Instead, we want a solution that allows for scalability without the clutter of numerous states. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a powerful tip that will make your animations not just functional, but also elegant and efficient. To create reusable states and transitions for the paging component, the user can utilize an array to manage the pages dynamically. This way, they won't need to define each state manually. Next, the user should modify the state management to reflect the current page index instead of individual states. This can be done by using a variable to track the current page. Now, the user can dynamically generate the states and transitions based on the current page index. This allows for a more scalable solution without hard-coding each state. Finally, the user should update the template to reflect the current page based on the index. This ensures that the correct page is displayed during the transition. Fun fact, did you know that animations can significantly enhance user experience? A well-placed animation can make your app feel more responsive and engaging. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves using margin left for transitions. The user defines 3 states: previous, current, and next. They update the state based on the current page index, allowing for smoother transitions without defining multiple states. In the template, each page is assigned its corresponding state, allowing for dynamic transitions between pages. This method reduces the need for multiple states and transitions. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your animations lightweight and avoid overcomplicating your state management. This will ensure your app remains fast and responsive. And there you have it. You now have the tools to create dynamic Angular animations that scale with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on Angular development.